Hi, welcome to our deep dive on how to season carbon steel. We will be going over how to properly season your pan so that you can have natural nonstick without the chemical coating. First, we wash the pan to remove the factory coating of wax that prevents it from rusting during transit. You won't be able to see the wax come off, but the warm water and soap will remove it. Then the heat will remove whatever is left. You'll want to dry your pan fully before the next step. Once your pan is dry, light the stove and place your pan on the flame at medium. Heat the pan until it changes color. We do this to burn off the remaining wax and oils, leaving just the metal behind. You also open up the pores in the metal by doing this. Once it is heated for 5 to 10 minutes, you should let it cool completely before you begin the seasoning process. Once the pan has cooled, you may begin. Start by applying a thin layer of cooking oil of your choice. Usually canola or vegetable oil is used, but we went with grapeseed oil. Heat the pan until the point the oil starts to smoke. Once you see the smoke begin, you will want to turn the heat off. Then we let the pan cool a second time and let the pan smoke even longer after the application of the oil. The third time, we'll do this again, but let the pan smoke for an even longer amount of time to ensure that a full layer of polymerization has been completed. Now your pan is now nonstick. Enjoy! We tested it out using no cooking oil, sunny side up egg, and it did not stick. Last, we tried it with scrambled egg, and of course, no sticking. Hopefully this video helped. Your pan is now seasoned and ready to use. The performance of clad cookware without the price, the non-stick without the chemicals, and the benefits of cast iron without all the weight. Viking Blue Carbon Steel.